This article caught my attention because this is the first time I've seen in a publication addressing this particular issue of multiple offers and uh, price reductions happening simultaneously. Although this particular article is dealing with cities of Palo Alto, Los Altos, and Menlo Park, this is a microcosm that's happening throughout California and probably throughout the nation as well. So even in the most exclusive areas of Silicon Valley, perfect homes are what's selling. So it's the turnkey homes, the ones that are ready to move in, that are receiving the multiple offers, and then the other types of homes that need a little bit of work, those are the ones that are not selling within the first 2 weeks. And if you don't sell within the first 2 weeks, then you're going to be lingering, and then that leads to price reductions because they're not moving, and then it goes into a cycle, right? Uh, so sellers, whether you're selling a $10 million mansion or a one-bedroom condo, look at what's selling and then address that need that the buyers are seeking. That's how you get your home sold.